Alright, so our good friends over at Funker Tactical put out a video a couple days ago about how they prepare their turkey for Thanksgiving. And we thought, you know, since it is almost Thanksgiving, that we would show them Canadian boys how we do it here in Indiana. So what are we going to be doing today, Erica?
Well, you guys are just going to have to stay tuned to find out.
Alright, so first up we have the 5.56. We're going to see if we can tenderize it up a little bit, see what happens. Alright, so let's go take a look at this. This 5.56 is absolutely devastating. It blew it apart pretty good. So, as you can see, it absolutely just shredded this turkey. So, but it's still in one good solid piece, so we're going to see what else we can do with it.
So let's try something just a little bit bigger.
Alright, so we've used 5.56, 9mm, and a 50 cal. Let's try one more thing and see if we can get this turkey well done. I think that took care of the job. Alright, so that's how you get things done around these parts. What do you think about the turkey there?
It was a lot of fun. I always love blowing things up. So.
Yeah, definitely. If you guys want to check out Funker Tactical, we'll leave a link in the description box below. Trust me, you guys will not be disappointed. They're a great group of guys, and we can call them our friends. So, yeah.
Yeah, and I hope you guys all have a happy and safe Thanksgiving and eat lots of turkey. And if you want to do a video response, we'd love to see one. If you guys like this video, please click the like button, share, favorite, and subscribe.
Thanks, guys.
I'm blowing things up, so I definitely had fun today.
Yeah, definitely. You have a bug on your forehead.